This last video is going to be about syncing your files between OneDrive and Microsoft Office 2013. Basically, Bowling Green has this awesome service where if you were typing on a document, let's just say in Microsoft 2013, I'll open up in a second, and then you can, instead of going through the process of uploading it and saving it and then uploading it to OneDrive, they sync with each other. So they automatically sync, which is very helpful for the campus to basically sync files, and so everyone has access to them and makes your life a whole lot easier. So to set it up, the IT tech people at Bowling Green have a video for you to sync OneDrive to your desktop. I'll leave this link in the comment section of this video so you'll be able to watch it yourself. But this video is very helpful of how to download OneDrive to your desktop and then the benefits of it, which I'll show you a few highlights here. So if I go back to my files down here, and maybe I'm working on a Word document that was on my flash drive, or I just started in Word and I didn't think to start in OneDrive, I'm going to just open a blank document here. And notice this Microsoft Office is already compatible and already synced with my OneDrive. How do I know that? Well, my name is up here in the right hand corner and it says I'm signed in. Also, if I come over here to File, notice it says I can open in my BGSU OneDrive and it's already synced. So if I click on the OneDrive and my documents, notice this is my exact same files that are in my OneDrive, EDTL 2010, 4490. So if I go back to my OneDrive, notice these are the exact same file folders. So if I wanted to, I could open up one of those documents right there in Word and start working on them, and they were automatically synced with my OneDrive. Now I want to start a new document, so I'm not going to do that, but I'm just showing you as an option. So I'm going to call this temporary file for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm going to write, this is a test, and now I'm going to save it. So I'm just going to go File, Save As, and because it's already synced with my BGSU account and my OneDrive, I can just click OneDrive, my documents, and it's the same folder I just showed you. And I'm just going to call it temporary file so I can see it there, and then hit save. Contacting the server for information. Basically, it's talking to the internet to upload this to my OneDrive. Do you want to upgrade to the newest file? Sure, that sounds great. And now you can see it's saved, and my name is still up in the right hand corner. Now the true test is if I come over here to my OneDrive, will it be there? Let's sync my drive one more time and refresh it. And there it is. There's my temporary file. Now if I open it, let's just see what it looks like, just to ensure that the syncing happened. There it is. It's the exact same document that I was working on down here. Says the same thing, and I know it already synced, and I didn't have to hit upload. All I did was simply save my file, and it's automatically on OneDrive. It cuts out that middleman. Definitely easier than uploading a file. So I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to show you that if I do come down here and edit again, I agree, it's so cool. So I'm going to come up here, and because I already synced it once and uploaded it to my OneDrive, notice that there's a little arrow right over my save drive, and if I put my cursor there, it says save this document and refresh it with updates made by other authors or myself. So basically by doing this, I can just hit save and it automatically syncs with my OneDrive. So if you don't believe me, let's come back here. I'm just going to refresh the page. Sometimes you don't have to do that if it sits there for a while, but just for the speediness of things, I'm just going to refresh. And then I'm going to click on my temporary file. And there it is. I said this is a test, but it's so cool. Exactly. My document is right there. It is saved online. It is saved, I'm not going to lose it. That's the best thing about this program, is you will not lose files this way. And you'll be able to collaborate with one another because it's all saved here on your OneDrive, which is in the cloud. If you have any questions about OneDrive, I will be uploading more videos throughout the semester, but you can also contact me through my email, which I'll put in my comments, as well as my office hours. I hope you have fun with this new service, and good luck.